everyone. We are here at Jollibee. Molino to eat our dinner tonight. Daniel. Thanks for the
Kuya.
thanks for the
Kuya.
Hello, you boss. Hi. Eat well, ha? Son, eat well. Princess, thanks for the treat with your kuya. Okay, God bless everyone. We are here at Jollibee, Molino, to eat our dinner tonight with my daughter, Dr. Princess, and Daniel, my boyfriend. And my grandchild, Yubo. Hello. Hello, Yubo. Okay, God bless everyone. Let's eat. Okay. Jollibee. Yeah, okay. Let's eat well. God bless everyone.